In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin and unpin text messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, we need to open up Messages app. And then if we want to pin a conversation at the top of this list, basically all we have to do is just long press at a conversation and then select pin. What that will do, that will move the selected conversation right here. Now it looks like a circle, and then we can enter that conversation if we tap right here. In the same way, we can pin multiple conversations here by doing the same steps. As you can see, now it works in that way. We can easily pin any conversation at the top of this list of this Messages application. Basically, guys, if you want to unpin a conversation, you need to long press at the circle and then hit unpin. That's how you can easily pin and unpin text messages on an iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.